All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. We previously had this head and shoulders breakout to the downside with a retest of the resistance, looking for that continuation lower. But there's more to it than just patterns targets, guys. This is what I teach in depth detail in the mentorship and in my course, that there are more things to it than just, again, a patterns breakout target. We have Fibonacci's, we have moving averages. There's a lot of indicators to teach you. And over here, we did not lose the 200s. And this is why we saw this double bottom breakout to the upside that reclaimed this previous head and shoulders neckline over here. And this is why we're seeing this breakout to the upside, because it's saying that this was your correction down to the 200. We had targets to the downside. This should be met once we break this low over here, so horizontal support. So you didn't even need the 200. So it's just there to help you out pretty much. So if you lose this, then you are continuing with this downtrend. But we can see after holding this area support, we climbed back above the moving averages and broke through the neckline of the head and shoulders, horizontal one and ascending one. And so this is why we're seeing bullish continuation, retracing now back to this high point over here. So after coming down all the way to these two green boxes, which so happens to be the golden pocket over here between the 0.5 and the 0.618 Fibonacci, we've basically had this impulse corrected down and looking for that continuation and breaking this high point. So I'm now going to get you some targets to the upside. And again, if you want to have an experience like my way, it's really smooth, it's really easy to have a smooth experience of trading view, then I do actually guide you with this and help you out. So just simply hit those links in the description and pinned comment section below. It's going to bring you up with all of these options. If you want to try out 1 hour of mentorship just to see how it is, take action through this link. If you want to message me for more details on my course, mentorship, or how to become a member in my Discord community, click this Twitter link. It's going to bring you over to my Twitter where you can private message me. Otherwise, just follow me anyway, because we're almost at 2,000 followers. Again, when you head back to the link tree over here, if you click these links, there will be more information. Otherwise, private message me with the mentorship. If we head back to the Trias video, with the mentorship, you do get my course included for life, and that's about 6 hours long with 35 plus videos. There's a pretty much like an hour long in total videos on just Fibonacci's. It's really in-depth, detailed, because it's super advanced. The fibs is quite hard. There's two ways of using it, as a fib retracement and a reversal wave. So over here we're seeing that reversal wave being created, heading back over to the 1 fib level, and so we're looking at the 1272 as a minimal target. So we've got some confluence in the area over here. Look, there's a gold line, orange line, and this so happens to be the 0.5 Fibonacci from the past at $5. So a nice psychological level. So this was I attained this target, the $5 level, from this high point, which is our previous top, the all-time high, as well as our lowest point of the bear market since this absolute rally up. Again, guys, this can all still happen over. Why is it not working today? Yeah, here we go. This could still happen. You could fail to break out and still come down. So that's of course still a big risk. It's all dependent on Bitcoin. I'd urge you all to check out my Bitcoin updates. But yeah, with this potential breakout to the upside over here out of this double bottom, I'd say the target out of the double bottom has been met, but we're now retracing to the 1 fib. We're following along with different things as we've reclaimed this neckline over here. I'd want it going forward to maintain this, and we can see that this is in alignment with this golden pocket over here after creating the reversal wave. So you've got this key area of resistance, previous resistance, that if we ever dump down to, it should just act as support to continue us into that area. This is if this now fails to break out and we come down. I'd expect this to all hold if it were to. This is all dependent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin loses this, everything changes. So stay tuned with the Bitcoin update, and then I'll further update Trias. But at the moment, this is the expected path to the upside to meet at in and around $4.50 to $5. I would expect a retracement down from here, but the expectation is if you can break through $5, we should eventually head to $7, and this could all be moves given for free on the channel for a 21 to 33% move all the way into a 100% move. If you're greedy and you want to take it all up to there, you need to actually trail your stop loss. Otherwise, you can break down the trades, and this is something that I teach in my course and mentorship. Whether you want to break down trades, take this as one. You could even just take it to the 1 fib, or once you get to the 1 fib, trail stop loss to entry over here, and then of course target these. Once we get up there, you can take profits, or take profits, use this as just one trade, and then look for a retracement entry to go to those higher targets targets, or you can be a greedy guy, do it all in one trade and then just trail the stop loss. So once it gets down here, it's probably going to retrace down, so you need to trail your stop loss, whether so it doesn't hit it pretty much if it were to retrace down, looking for that continuation higher. But personally, I'll dissect this into 2 trades. So looking for these targets to be met only once the 1 fib level has been broken. So what you need to do, if you have entered since this double bottom breakout over here, stop loss should now be at entry or the neckline. Again, this red uptrending line needs to be held as support, which is in alignment with this golden pocket over here where we've created the reversal wave. So we actually need to see this being maintained. So this is why you can have your stop loss in and around this area or a bit below it, because losing this invalidates this further upside to these targets over here. All 3 of these targets should be met, but we've got some confluence in between the 1618 and the 1414 at about $5, as it's a psychological level. So that's where you should be targeting, between $4.50 or $5. It's up to you. That's pretty much it. Again, this is all dependent on Bitcoin actually breaking out to the upside, because again, we need to wait for the 1 fib level to be broken. That is also a key psychological level, being the $4 level. So we need to break through $4 and then we will get this pump up pretty much to in and around, 24% move potentially. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share this update if you want to take action on the course, the mentorship, where I teach you to do this as easy as I am today. Then of course it will take hard work and it will take some time, but I'm there to guide you. You're going to have the course for life if you're taking the course. If you want the mentorship, you're also going to get the course for life, as well as the 5 hours of work or 10 hours of work one-to-one with me over video calls. I'm going to throw in 3 months membership for free as well for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next Trias update. Cheers.